Hey friends, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to make a clap lights with ATtiny85 Microcontroller. So let's get started with this video. So the required components for this project: now we cannot directly program the ATtiny85 microcontroller, so we will be using Arduino UNO for this. Then follow the circuit diagram to connect your ATtiny with Arduino. Now follow the steps and do what I am doing. Code available in the description of this video. You can directly copy it from there. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.